Siren eyes are all over my For You page. Let's do it. Our focus should be bringing everything out and straight as opposed to up. First, taking a brown shadow with a fluffy brush, I'm focusing on the lower part of the lid, blending outwards. This eyeshadow is going to set the groundwork for that elongated eye shape. I'm also going to put some on the lower lash line, connecting it up. Using a denser brush, I'm going to go into some dark brown and tapping it as close to the waterline as possible. I'm bringing it out and really focusing on this outer triangle to elongate the eye. Don't forget to blend out the lower lash line as well. I find it easier to work with a pencil liner. I'm gonna line the waterline. Using a dense smudging brush like this, we're gonna smudge out that waterline we just created, but extending from the lower lash line, not from the upper lash line. This is just a guide, but do you see how the wing is a lot lower and it's in line with the lower lash line? There's a slight disconnect, so we just want to fill the gap here. Filling this gap, connecting that liner. I'm also smudging some product down to the lower lash line so that the eyes look a little bit more sultry. Taking a brown pencil liner and placing it on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Grabbing some product with a detailed angle brush to extend the inner corner. Also darkening this part of the waterline. I'm not bringing it all the way around, only because I want a more subtle siren eye. Mascara. And there you have it. This is my version of the siren eyes.